Hi there, it's Isilia here from Tax World. Today, I'd like to talk to you about Tax Appeal 42TACD2024, which relates to the income tax. This was an appeal by a taxpayer, the appellant, against amended tax assessments issued by the Revenue Commissioners, the Respondent, relating to distributions received by the appellant from an offshore fund, the fund in which he had invested. In 2007, the appellant invested in the fund, which was set up to invest mainly in Polish property. His investment was by way of participating shares, 10% of capital commitment, and loan notes, 90%. Between 2014 and 2017, the appellant received repayments of his loan notes. In 2015, the fund was wound up and the appellant received liquidation distributions in 2017 and 2019. The respondent issued amended assessments treating these distributions as offshore income gains. The appellant appealed, arguing they should be treated as capital gains. Whether a secondary market existed for investments in the fund in 2007. Whether in 2007 it was reasonably expected the appellant would be able to realize the value of his interest within 7 years. Whether there were restrictions amounting to a prohibition on transferring participating shares. Whether the net asset value could only have been realized by approaching the fund. Findings of fact. A secondary market existed for investments in the fund in 2007 based on expert evidence. In 2007, it was reasonably expected the appellant would be able to realize the value of his interest within 7 years, based on expert evidence on the Polish economy/property market outlook. The restrictions on transferring participating shares did not amount to a prohibition. Investors could establish if they could realize a value proportionate to the net asset value through acquiring the net asset value, which the fund determined annually. The appellant's interest constituted a material interest in an offshore fund. The liquidation distributions were correctly treated by the respondent as offshore income gains. I hope you found that useful, and I'll see you in the next video.